A.O. Smith water heaters use indicator lights and digital displays as diagnostic tools to help identify issues quickly and efficiently. A green light indicates normal operation. When you see this steady green light, your water heater is functioning properly and heating water as expected. A red light signals a fault condition. This could indicate overheating, ignition failure, or other serious issues that require immediate attention. A flashing yellow light typically points to thermostat or heating element problems. This indicates issues with the components that control and generate heat. Newer A.O. Smith models feature digital displays that show specific error codes, providing more detailed diagnostic information than simple light indicators. Always consult your user manual to understand the specific light codes and error messages for your particular model, as different A.O. Smith models may have variations in their diagnostic systems. When troubleshooting A.O. Smith water heater issues, the status lights provide crucial diagnostic information. Let's examine what to do when problems occur. When a red or yellow light appears, your first step should be to reset the water heater. Turn off the power for a few minutes, then restore it. Next, check all electrical connections for damage, corrosion, or loose wires. Poor connections are a common cause of heating problems. For gas water heaters, ensure the pilot light is lit. If it's out, check the gas supply and thermocouple connections. Heat pump models may display error code ECL, which indicates low heat pump suction pressure. This requires professional attention. Common issues include no hot water, which often results from power problems or burned out heating elements. Water leaks typically occur from faulty drain valves or tank corrosion. For complex issues, especially those involving gas lines or electrical systems, always consult a qualified technician. Safety should be your top priority.